Hey Mark, this is Watson at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I wanted to give you a walk around on this vehicle you inquired about yesterday. This is a 2023 C300, the first Cabriolet C-Class that we've received in. This was a special order vehicle. This is polar white, silk beige interior, driver assistance package, parking package, multimedia package, and AMG line. So pretty much fully equipped. Let's back up and take a look at this baby. From the front end, of course, you have that beautiful diamond grille, which is part of the AMG package. And this was equipped with the beige interior, and you've got the beautiful blue soft top 5-spoke AMG wheels. And of course, this is Maine, and this is a 4MATIC 4-wheel drive type vehicle. Let's take a look at the interior. Now this is the MB-TEX, the indestructible material Mercedes developed, and it's mated with the beautiful walnut trim. You've got your multimedia display, of course, there. This also features the upgraded Burmester surround sound system. This features heated seats, of course. And what fun to have your 4-wheel drive convertible here in Maine. So let's take a look at how this thing looks with the top down. And there she goes. And even on a day like today, well, it's not too bad. It's about 50 degrees out here. Not bad for a December. You could be cruising around in your convertible. So there's how she looks with the top down. Beautiful, beautiful car. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back to me, Mark Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine, 207-510-2284. Thank you for your time.